We're out here at a site right now. We have a creek. We had some damaged clay that's parallel to the creek. Here a week ago we did a point repair on this to fix the caved in segment of it. But we're getting ready to set up to do some joint grouting. We use a chemical grout that's either a hydrophobic or a hydrophiliac, which what that means, it reacts to the water, and it's kind of like your insulation foam but a lot denser properties. Doing that, we put a TV camera in the line. We inject dye water down through the ground, what we call probe grouting. Some new innovation that we've been working with Prime Resin on. They're our grout manufacturer.
And what we're doing here today is we're grouting some clay pipe joints with some infiltration coming in the joints. We're probe grouting it with Prime Resin's M2 pump. We're using their 970 hydrogel product, and basically what we're doing is we have driven a 1/2-inch steel pipe in the ground down to the top of the clay pipe. We've lifted it just a little bit. We're injecting dye water into the ground to make sure that the path that we're at from our pipe, the dyed water is making it to the pipe joints that we're trying to seal up. And once we get the dye water coming in where we want it, we'll start introducing the hydrogel, and basically from the outside of the pipe we're going to seal up the infiltration coming in with this low-lying creek area.
What this does is help us to determine where we need to put the probes. When we get a good flow of it, the TV camera can see that, and then we'll start pumping grout.
This is the outpost system from the buyer site. We are trying to locate dye into our system so we can control I&I. What we're going to do is inject dye, and then we're going to look for send some grout down the line. Just basically looking for any types of problems in the lines, from roots to broken pipes, backups, and of course what we're doing now is I&I.
The last 3 years, we, instead of contracting out root control, we have implemented into our jet cleaning trucks foam application, which includes the guides, getting a chemical state license for the herbicide that is in it. That product is what we've been using for the last few years. It's called Vapor Rooter. It's with Douglas. We kind of look at trying to keep our stuff we do in-house instead of outsourcing. That's like this. We would have had to put this out for bids. Then you get into questions of how much grout are you going to pay the contractor up front, which then they usually come out with higher cost. We can find a problem and within that day or within that week plan to fix it.